Hey, if you're having a bad day, it might get a little bit better because we're giving away one pair of Bodega's upcoming New Balance collab. Let's take a closer look at the No Bad Days. What's going on, guys? You're watching Sneaker News on YouTube, and today we're taking a closer look at Bodega's upcoming collaboration with New Balance and the 997. It's called the No Bad Days. Before we go over all the release information, of course, instructions on how to win one pair of these shoes, just do us a quick favor, hit that subscribe button, like the video at the end, and we'll get going. So as we mentioned, we are going to give away one pair of these shoes. We're going to go over those details on how to enter later in this video. We just want to go over some of the basics. According to Bodega, here's how you can buy the shoes. They're first going to do in-store raffles at their two locations, one in Boston and one in LA. Starting Sunday, September 22nd, you can go in store, sign up, and you have until Tuesday, September 24th. Winners will be notified the following Friday on September 27th. And you can buy them online on September 28th at 10 a.m. Eastern time. So those are the only ways you can buy the shoe. It's a true Bodega exclusive. But like we said, we are going to give away one pair of the shoes, and you'll find out real soon. So let's just go over the basics of the shoe. This is the 997S model. It's basically a sport version of the 997. If you look back on the New Balance running history, the 997 is pretty much one of the sportier versions of their 900 series. Basically, they've added this huge exterior like end cap reveal outsole. Adds to that whole chunky, hefty look that's really in right now. A lot of exposed bits of the absorb on the heel. Even some parts right here colored in yellow. So it's the 997, kind of provides most of the DNA to this shoe, even with the exterior vents that kind of give that sporty look that the 997 is pretty much known for. But just gonna detail the shoe from toe to heel. Let's start with the toe, one of our favorite parts of this design. As you can tell, it's an asymmetric cut. It's almost like the shoe was hand drawn, which is a nice touch because a lot of shoes designed today are done on computers and just overly angular and just don't really have like a human feel. And also it's kind of a nod to like throwback New Balances because they've had asymmetrical toe boxes for quite a bit. Even the use of mesh kind of hints to that retro runner look. The leather material on the midfoot as well, it's something you expect from retro shoes. The N logo is embossed and it kind of bulbs outward. And as we approach the heel of the shoes, that's where things get a little bit more sporty. We have these exterior sort of vent-like add-ons. Even this turquoise part is built with like a nylon material, so a huge contrast to like the mesh and the suedes and the leathers and the forefoot. It's even padded and there's these little circular little dots. The heel that scoops up again, it's like this like a rigid nylon, and there is like a diamond edge texture to it. So there's a nice contrast between like throwback retro runners in the forefoot and more technical, sportier on the heel. The medial side too, the midfoot panel uses a really nice hairy suede, which kind of trickles into like the rest of the lace collar. So, they definitely went with like a high contrast sort of theme. Even the tongue logo as well, it's this plastic add-on with the MB logo and a bunch of different colors. There's a mix of, sporty, retro. It all kind of speaks to their No Bad Days sort of vibe. The first collab they did was titled No Days Off, and that was a whole like vacation sort of theme that dropped back in April. So this is somewhat of a sequel to that in a way. What they did was applied a really nice colorway on an existing build that they created with New Balance. There's been super high engagement on social media, which is pretty interesting because the shoe is pretty loud and bold and one of the few like modernized classics that people seem to be really digging. So, that's pretty much it. This is a 997S by Bodega. So in addition to the shoes, comes with your classic standard New Balance box. And there's some special lace add-ons. There's this stock gray with the yellow Bodega tips, or you can go with the turquoise with the black or the purple with the black, both of which have Bodega on the lace tips. Even comes with this little pool floaty. It says laid in the shade, again speaking to the whole like vacation sort of theme. And of course, Bodega stickers. So this is pretty much it. This is the No Bad Days concept by Bodega in collaboration with New Balance and the 997S. So as promised, we're gonna give away one pair of these shoes, and all you have to do is follow these 3 simple steps. Step 1 is to subscribe to this channel and like this video. Step 2 is in the comments, leave us your shoe size and your location. For example, size 10 Los Angeles, or size 8 New York City, or size 12 Berlin. And step 3, answer the pinned question that's in the comments below. So just those 3 things: like and subscribe, leave us your shoe size and location, and answer the question below. And you have until September 27th, 11:59 p.m. Eastern time to enter. There's plenty of time. Again, if you need those instructions, again, just look in the comments below. We hope you guys enjoyed this video and this closer look at the Bodega New Balance collab. For full release information, just check the links below as well. And we'll catch you in the next one.